AC ఉందా ఇది 78 పెట్టుకుందాం.
కృష్ణ కృష్ణ
All of you devotees, you can turn on your AC here.
హరే రామ
అవునా? వస్తుంది.
రామ రామ హరే హరే
హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే హరే, హరే రామ 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 హరే హరే.
హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే హరే, హరే రామ 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 హరే హరే.
హరే కృష్ణ Harinam is being chanted like that, sung like that. What is happening? Krishna nama dhare kotuba,
Krishna नाम धरे कौतुबार,
Krishna nama dhare kotuba,
कृष्ण नाम धरे कौतुबार.
Vishaya vasananale mora chitta sada jwale, Ravi tapta marubhumisam.
विषय वासनानले मोर चित्त सदा जले, रवि तप्त मरुभूमि सम.
Vishaya vasananale mora chitta sada jwale, Ravi tapta marubhumisam.
विषय वासनानले मोर चित्त सदा जले, रवि तप्त मरुभूमि सम.
कर्णरंध्र पठादिया हृदि माझे प्रवेशिया, वरिशोय शुद्ध अनुपम.
कर्णरंध्र पठादिया माझे प्रवेशिया, वरिशोय शुद्ध अनुपम.
See, when we are chanting japa, you know how many of you have these thoughts like the white mites? In Telugu we call chadalu avi wood తినేస్తాయి ఇట్లా. The termites, they eat the wood, the white termites. So those thoughts, they eat the brain. When the japa is going on one side, the thoughts eating the brain. How many of you have experienced it, please?
All of us.
Yeah? Really? I thought I'm the only one. That is, such a life in the van. Mataji, yes, Mataji, I see you. Very familiar, huh? Yes, Mataji, now you're coming to the real point. Yes, please. Nene, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. That's how he's starting. See? Krishna Nama Dhare Kotubal. This is okay, yeah. This so Srila Bhaktivinoda is saying Krishna Nama Dhare Kotubal. What do I say about the power of the Harinama? When I chant Harinama, Srila Bhaktivinoda is saying Vishaya Vasananale. You know Vishaya? Vishaya means anything that's other than Krishna. Anything other than Krishna is Vishaya. What does Vishaya do? Anale, like a fire. It burns inside. Krishna is very soothing, but Vishaya is burning. Termites are eating, Vishaya is burning. That is why, though the japa is happening, we don't know if it is entering into the ears. Because there is a lot of burning that is happening inside because of the Vishaya. When there is no Krishna, then that is Vishaya. When there is Krishna, then that automatically becomes bhakti. It's not Vishaya. So the burning happens when there is no Krishna. Termites eat the brain when there is no Krishna. So there is no Krishna inside in the mind. The termites are eating, and it is like a desert, and there is so much fire that is going on in the upper chamber. And then what's happening? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare is entering into my ear now. Ravi Tapta Maru Bhumisam. What is this Harinam doing? My mind was like a desert. It is burning hot, and the bhumi, the land in the desert, is cracked out of that heat. Such dry, hot land that is cracked, and if there are any drops that are falling, it would evaporate. Any drops of water falling, it would evaporate. Even if it fall, before it falls on the ground, itna heat hai, evaporation ho jata hai. Itna hai, that is Ravi Tapta Maru, Ravi Tapta. Very much heated by the Vishaya, the heat of Vishaya. And that is the situation in the upper chamber. That is the heat of the upper chamber. Then what is the Harinam doing? Maru Bhumisam. Now it has come as downpour. Not just few drops. Few drops are going to evaporate on the desert. Even it before touches the earth, itna heat hai, evaporate hota hai. So Harinam is coming as a downpour of shower. Maru Tapta Bhumisam. How did that happen? When the upper chamber is very heated pan right there. Not pan, it is a desert land. Desert land. Otherwise, why will not we hear Krishna Nama? Why will not we see Krishna there? So, hot desert land. Then what did the Harinam do? Karnarandra Pathadiya. Karnarandra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Entered into the Karnarandra. Karnarandra Pathadiya, it entered. And where did it go? Hridhi Majhe Praveshiya. Whoa! Harinam directly went from the ears into the heart of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. But when we take the shelter of these Mahajanas, Harinam Prabhu does the same thing. So it entered into this is what Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying. This Harinam entered into Karnarandra Pathadiya, entered into my ear canals. Hridhi Mahaje Praveshiya, entered from there, it entered into my heart. Varishoya Shuddha Anupam. Showers unparalleled nectar upon my soul. There it is, Varishoya Shuddha Anupam. Varishoya is showering. Yeah, Shuddha, Shuddha, no problem. Varishoya Shuddha Anupam is pure. Yeah. So in this way, Shri Harinam entered into the ear holes and entered into the heart, and is showering this cooling nectar. Shuddha, very pure. Yeah. So pure nectar showers unparalleled nectar upon my soul, in my heart, because it entered into the heart. Harinam. So this is what Harinam does. This is what Harinam does. But do we feel it? Why don't we feel it? We are busy with Vishaya. Fault find Vishaya. And the pan is getting heated. Where will it make the entry into the heart? Even Harinam just stays in the air only. It hardly enters into the ear canal. But this is the Shakti of Harinam, Krishna Nama. So when we chant, This, when we chant, we want to hear. We want to remember what Thakura Bhaktivinoda is saying. Oh, so Harinam, this Harinam that is given to me is by my Gurujana. Okay? This is the meditation that goes on during japa. We know our situation in the upper chamber. ये हालत तो ऐसा है. लेकिन the descending mercy is showering soothing mercy. That should be our meditation. And what is the meditation according to Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura? Krishna Nama Dhare Kotubal. This Harinam Mahamantra that is given by my Gurudeva, Shri Guru, is very strong. Yeah? And Vishaya Vasananale. Yes, my upper chamber is heated. Termites are there. Agreed. Acknowledged. More Chitta Sadajvale. Because of this Vishaya Vasananale, because of this fire, my chitta is constantly burning. No peace. No peace, constantly burning. हालत वो है. पहले वो acknowledge करना. नहीं तो it will not move further. 64 rounds a day, 24/7 service, millions of lives, it will not move further. Unless I acknowledge that I have disease, how will I be treated? Very important in our spiritual journey. Unless I acknowledge what's wrong with me, it will not get treated. Pakka. I may do so much outside. I may say so much outside. Bhakti is about our internal chitta. If I don't acknowledge what disease I have, how will it get cured? So इसीलिए Thakura is acknowledging, yes, this is my disease. 50% of the disease cured. ये मेरी disease है. 50% cured. बहुत अच्छा है. Simple step. 50% cured होता है. Yeah. So Vishaya Vasananale Mora Chitta Sadachvale. This is my condition. And Ravi Tapta Maru Bhumisam. So this land is heated up. Yeah, heated up with this hot sun. This is my condition. Then this Nama that is so mercifully given by the personification of Sandhini Shakti, Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. When I am chanting this Nama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Because this Nama is the Prasada, because this Nama is so strong, it is Karnarandra Patadiya, it is entering into my ear holes. Hridi Maje Praveshya, it is entering into my heart. Varisho Yashuddha Anupam, yeah, it is showering its mercy now. Pure nectar, it is showering. This is happening because Harinama is very powerful, and this Oh Hey Krishna, Oh Hey Krishna Namakshara, Tumi Sarva Shakti Dhara. This Krishna Namakshara, this Harinama is very mercifully given by my Gurudev. I am a diseased person, very much diseased here. Everything trash heated up and mites. Other than that, nothing else is there. This is my situation. My Gurudev knows that. Sandhini Shakti knows that. That's why Sandhini Shakti is coming and giving me this mercy. And on the strength of that Sandhini Shakti, because of the mercy of Gurudeva, this Nama is entering into my ear. Because of the mercy of my Gurudeva, this Nama is making its way into the heart. This, because of the mercy of my Gurudeva, the Sandhini Shakti, my heart is being transformed. The nectar of holy name is being showered inside, in my heart, in my chitta. Yeah. So there is no imagination here. We have already acknowledged कि क्या है, क्या हो रहा है, the reality. And this is guided by the Acharya. And everything that was said now is based on Tattva. Zero mental speculation. Everything based on Tattva. ऐसे करे तो जपा. एक बार जपा करना, within 5-10 minutes. We are supposed to see the change. We will. क्योंकि there is zero mental speculation. This is based on the bhajan of the Acharya, his realization. And this all tattva. Bhajan is all based on the tattva and the mood, the bhava. So our Hari Bhajan is based on this, Acharya Vani. One should see the result. There is no reason one would get stuck in Nama Parada. At least one will be placed in Nama Bhasa. Guaranteed hai ye. Nama Bhasa. You know what Nama Bhasa feels like? Yeah? Nama Bhasa feels like this. See, Nama Parada, we know what it feels like. Ooh, heated up. Ahaha. Heated up here. Termites here. Yeah? And we don't know where the Nama is going. We don't know where beads are. We don't know what. This is all Nama Parada. And on top of that, added Nama Parada is, this is all heated up here. Termites are there. The busy section here. And on top of that, I watch TV. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. I talk to somebody. Did you do that? Do this? I told you to do that. Hare Krishna, Krishna. Oh, Govinda. Like that. So that is an extra Nama Parada. Means voluntarily committing. First one was involuntary. That is not in our hands. So gradually chale jayega. No problem. No problem at all. The involuntary Nama Parada is because of our karma in the past. The karma that is stored in the upper chamber. That will slowly go away. Okay? That will slowly go away when we realize, okay, that's all sitting in here. When we acknowledge, that will slowly go away. But at least we should not do a voluntary Nama Parada. Especially when our 16 rounds, during the 16 rounds, that is exclusive time for VVIP. Other time, Kirtaniya Sadahari. We can drive and then we can chant. We can honor prasad is chanting nice. Man mein hota hai. But rest of the time, the glorification and Nama can happen. But 2 hours time is for VVIP. Oh, hey Krishna Namakshara, who is Sarva Shaktidhara. Why will not one experience Nama Bhasa? There is no reason, no excuse. Nama Bhasa is this. How does it feel? So Nama Parada to we know, yeah? Nama Parada, you know, Bhakti Aparada happens because of Nama Parada. Yeah? Actually, Bhakti Aparada is because of the Nama Parada. Because of that. Because we don't know the glories of holy name. We don't even consider Nama as a part of Anga. Mukhya Anga, Nama is Bhakti, Bhakti is Nama. We don't even consider that. How will we get the Shakti? Our Bhakti will not go to Shuddha Bhakti unless we are Namashray Bhaktas. I just can't call Bhakti as service only, and the mites are biting here, yeah, and heated up here, and I do the service the whole day. This is good, service whole day is good, but this can still be Bhakti Aparada only when the termites are biting here. Aisa. So, without Nama Ashraya, there is no way Bhakti Aparada will come to Bhakti Abhasa, not even Bhakti Abhasa. And it is impossible and it does not happen that Bhakti Abhasa will come to Shuddha Nama. So, Nama Ashraya is that important. You see? Yeah. So, as much as we put the effort to treat Nam Prabhu the way we should treat, though the mind is reeling, whatever, but externally when we are putting the effort, that effort is seen. That is already taking us towards the Nama Bhasa. Though it is Nama Parada, it's like a spectrum. Yeah? It's, you know, when it is dark outside, night, there is, but night, middle of the night, we can't see anything. Aisa. Nama Parada, Bhakti Aparada is like that. We do, but it is all hurt. Confusion, hurt and mites biting. One indicator that it is Nama Parada, Bhakti Aparada is the mites are biting in the mind. The mites are eating the brain. That is Bhakti Aparada. That is Nama Parada. ठीक है? And if I am just doing service with the body outside, but the mites are eating brain, I am still in the Nama Parada, Bhakti Aparada only. How will I go to Abhasa? So, service alone cannot be an indicator. You know why? We don't understand what service means. Because we think service means doing something with the body. Service is, because body is there, so we first put it in the service so the mind also can come into service. But service is a state of existence. We don't understand that part. When Srila Prabhupada is saying bhakti means devotional service, the whole self in the devotional service of Bhagavan. That's bhakti, the whole self. Manasa, vacha, karma. That's devotional service. Yes, sir. So, unless we do the Namashraya, Manasa, vacha, karma cannot be in the devotional service. That's the thing. We just think with this karma, just doing this action is bhakti, and we just get stagnated there. Isliye I'm making this clarification. It's very easy to get stagnated there. That's why it's not bhakti aparadha doing the nama aparadha. It's because of the nama bhakti is happening. Aisa, yeah. Otherwise, you know what our attitude is for the nama? Nahi dek anya pratikara is not happening. Nama, if we don't give that seat, that throne to the nama, we do something else in bhakti, and we think we are doing bhakti. You see, you cannot fool around. We cannot fool around with nama. If the termites are eating my brain during the nama, it is nama parada, by default bhakti parada is happening. Okay? Nama basa kaisa hota hai? There are no termites. Whoa! Upper chamber is not heated up. Whoa! Spring weather. We don't need a jacket. There is no sweating. Kuch bhi nahi. Really, nama basa is liberation. There is no influence of modes. Nama basa is no influence of modes. Yeah, no mites, no eating up the brain, not hot, not cold. That is like, for a conditioned soul, it will be like, what is this happening to me? As a that. So somebody who is always in a very hot environment, and all of a sudden the weather is really beautiful, wonderful. That will be the talk of the town. No snow, no rain, no heat, nothing. This is perfect weather. Oh, hey, Nama Basa. Nama Basa mein, because there is no influence of modes, there is no hurt, no self-hurt, no hurt to anybody. No hurt to anybody in the name of bhakti. No self-hurt or no hurt to anybody in the name of bhakti. It is, Nama Basa is very close to Shuddha Nama. So, it is like, the sun. When the sun is rising, dawn hai na? Nama Basa is not just like from here to here, ye Nama Basa nahi. This is all a spectrum, like the sun is rising. When the sun is not there, dark hai na? वो तो नाम अपराधा है. Now the sun is starting to rise, dawn है ना, sunrise आ रहे ना, तब दिखता है थोड़ा सा. We don't bump into things. If there is a tree, it will appear like in Nama Basa, we will at least see, oh, there is some block here, and we don't bump into that. We will be very safe because we are able to at least see the shadows. We will not have the bruising and bumping. Nama Basa में इतना tree के जैसे we may not be able to see, building के जैसे may not be able to see in the very early dawn rays, but there are no bruises because we know there is something and we just make our way safe. ऐसा होता है Nama Basa. And that is also a spectrum, and as the sun is rising more like that, then things, you see, they just start get clear. That is the zone of Shuddha Nama. That which was not seen before. Yomam pashyati sarvatra sarvam chamayi pashyati tasyaham na pranashyami sachame na pranashyati. Seeing the reality, Krishna, 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 Krishna everywhere. They स्थावर जंगम देखे न देखे इष्ट देव स्फूर्ति. They see things, they see people, but as a background, they actually see Krishna. How beautiful. They see people, but the people, the Manusha are background. Krishna. ऐसा कहीं भी ऐसा. That is the just an entrance of Shuddha Nama. I am not making it up. I am just saying what Acharya is saying. This is not mental speculation. This is the effect of Nama Bhasa as it gets more clearer. They see only Krishna. Itna, they are not disturbed. They are not disturbed by anything that happens. Because everything is just, it's not even a background, a blending beautiful background. ऐसा हो जाता है. I can be recite this. The whole Bhagavad Gita, the 12th, those 12 shlokas of in the Bhagavad Gita. But this is Nama Bhasa, as we are hearing. Nama Bhasa we heard, okay? But the entry of Shuddha Nama is actually in Nama Bhasa itself. You know, because we are able to see where things are like that. It is the start of effortless. I don't even say it as Krishnization. There is no effort to Krishnaize there. It's just Krishna. It's the start of that Nama Bhasa. And it only just gets more real and more solidified and more true as one enters into Shuddha Nama. Like that. Yeah, yes, Mataji, you want to ask? Chemistry of Arino. Just no, Mataji, thank you. You are, this is a divine laboratory ban gaya yahan pe. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes, Mataji, question kya?
So Mataji, Naam Aparad is...
Can't hear you, huh?
Yeah. So Naam Aparad is unavoidable. It's because of my conditionings,
Yeah.
my karma, that is, it's there, right?
Yeah.
And so coming to Nama Bhasa, it will not happen on my own. It's
No.
It's
Not like that. It's not that Nama Aparada is unavoidable. External voluntary Nama Aparada is avoidable. Okay? Full focus. That part. The second part hai na, it's, the journey starts from there. Yes. And then?
So, and then coming to Nama Bhasa is not in my hands.
Yes.
Voluntary is okay. Involuntary, it's not in my hands. So,
Yes.
what I'm trying to understand, it's just like being a begging bowl again in the hands of Guru and Krishna
Yes.
to
Right.
help me
Yes.
pass through this
That's
journey.
it.
Right,
The
Mataji?
example is like this, Mataji. Yes, what you said is right. For the sun to rise, I just stay there prayerfully. I can make the sun rise. Yes. With full faith that the sun will rise. That's all. As true as this sun is, as real as sun is, and the effect of sun is, the sunlight is, so much is real Harinama and the effect of Harinama. It will happen. Is sun not rising? Are we not seeing the light of the sun? If the sun is just a combination of material element, if you are saying, that's Harinam, Bhagavan, he is gonna rise. Aisa, Bhagavan, Krishna Bhagavan, he will rise. That's it. Because he is rising, you have these questions coming. You see? Yes, sir. It's actually happening to us. The very fact that you are interested to hear the Katha and you are able to understand means there is some fertile soil there. नहीं तो क्या होता है? Do you please see the mercy? Do you please see the mercy that is already there within all all of us. Yes, please. Yes.
Yes.
भगवान को इतना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. I am putting them in the ocean of mercy. ये क्या लोग हैं? ये drop of mercy भी नहीं देख रहे. चिदानंदा, अमृतधामा. Yeah.
Mataji, can you pass bring light to Harivan Prabhu?
What? Yeah. What did you say, Prabhu?
In Shuddha Nama, they always see Krishna, that's what you mentioned.
Yeah.
Could you please elaborate on
You see, they should.
Your question is very good, Prabhu. Just that I'm taking time. I have to recall what was said by Acharyas because it's not my experience yet. But Sauttama Shloka Mahan Mukhachyutam Bhavat Padam Bhoja Sudhakarna Nilam Smritir Puna Vismrita Tattva Vatmanam Koyogi Namna Vitarati Alamvaraihi. Shuddhanama is, all those qualities of the Bhava Bhakti that we read in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Not just the enthusiasm, perseverance, Pritir Vasati Stale. So those qualities are there in Shuddhanama, but what does it mean that they see Krishna? Can you say your question exactly again, Prabhu? Maybe answer can be given accordingly. Yeah.
They always see Krishna, that's what you mentioned.
Yeah.
So I wanted to put
Yeah. Yes, please. Yes. Yeah. I got it. Thank you. So, Shuddhanama. Nama is in 4. It is existing at 4 levels. The transcendental vibration, sound vibration of the Lord is existing in 4 levels. The first one is Vachika, means Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Just hearing part. One. Yeah, same, hearing part. That's the first level. Then, next one is Madhyama, means like Srila Prabhupada, he may not be saying Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. It is not audible, but it's going on inside. When Srila Haridas Thakura, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, they are chanting round the clock. Kaise? Few of the malas are Vachika. Few of the malas are Madhyama. Few of the malas are Pashyanti. Pashyanti means seeing. Seeing. Meaning of Pashyanti means seeing. Nama has a form, right? So, being with the form of the Nama, Shuddha Nama means the Shuddha Bhaktas, they are actually with the form of the Nama. This is past the audible stage, past the mind state. This is actually being with the Rupa of the Nama. It means, that Nama is like the first door, When you open the first door, then the second door is like Rupa. And the second door open, and the third, they are very close by. Rupa and Guna are so very close by. Rupa and Guna. So those are the doors that are open. And the fourth door is Rupa and Guna are so close by, and the Rupa is enacting the Leelas. That's the fourth door. Aisa hota hai. So when somebody is in Nama Nishta, Atayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma, like that. So when somebody is in their dharma, when a Vaishnava is in his dharma, like Srila Prabhupada, that is, the Namanishta is already there. It has become the dharma. He doesn't really have to say Hare Krishna audible. It has become a dharma. Rupa Guna Karma. It has become so much of dharma that it is at the third level. Not just the audible, not just at the mind level, but at the Pashyanti level. Pashyanti means seeing. So that is Vaishnavera Dharma. For the Nama to be Dharma like that one can be at the level of the Pashyanti. So, for when the Nama is showing the Rupa with Guna, we should have the eyes to see. Deity is there. Deity's eyes we can see with this mortal eyes. But the Rupa in the Nama, when the Nama is revealing the Rupa there, we should have some spiritual eyes to see. It means the spiritual body is there, the spiritual vision is there, and that's why the Pashyanti Japa is happening. So that's Haridas Thakura, all of them. Shuddha Nama is Pashyanti Japa. Pashyanti Japa. It means Vachika, we may or may not hear. Manasika, that is by default, it has happened. That's why it is in Pashyanti. Shuddha Nama is Pashyanti Japa. Okay, Harvind Prabhu? Yeah? Shuddha Nama is Pashyanti Japa. Yeah. Para, fourth
What does
state.
it mean that Krishna
Is-
is seen everywhere?
Para is beyond. Like Rupa Goswami, when he said Krishna, one Nama, Krishna, he fainted because he went to Para. Their existence itself, normal existence, is Pashyanti Japa. Their normal existence. This is not a Vachika. If they do Vachika, they just go into Para.
That's inseparable.
Yeah. That's why Sukadeva Goswami, he wasn't able to utter word, Radha, like that. And all these devotees, when they get choked, they cannot take the name of Krishna. Because choking, if they take the name again, then they would choke again. Because that Vachika, it just takes them to Para, because they're already in Pashyanti, like that. That's Shuddha Nama, Pashyanti Japa. Thank you. What is the qualification for Shuddha Nama? One basic qualification. Basic qualification to give entry into the periphery, just to open the door of Shuddha Nama. Kya hai wo? Vaishnava Aparadha is too far, yeah, that is even Namabhasa. The basic qualification for Namabhasa is, Mataji, you're right, no Vaishnava Aparadha. Huh? Taste, yes. How will that taste come? But one thing, as Mataji said, is basic qualification for Namabhasa is no Vaishnava Aparadha. If Vaishnava Aparadha is happening, there will be no Namabhasa. That's a Madhyama Adhikari can chant Namabhasa. But when there is Vaishnava Aparadha, there will not be Namabhasa. That's to remember. But for Shuddha Nama, as one comes towards the Shuddha Nama, it's by default there is no Vaishnava Aparadha. Okay? वो हो गया. वो zone हो गया. The next thing is Trinadapi Sunichena Taroreva Sahishnuna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sada Hari. This Trinadapi Sunichena is, it's not something to be told, something to be acted out. It's a state of existence. It's a bhava, state of existence. Humility is just a part of Trinadapi. It's a state of existence. You know, you are humble servant, I am a fallen soul. These are the words. Okay, that's fine. That is to remind us to go to that state of existence. But it's like this. You know, what a mother has for child, that motherly affection for a child is the state of existence of that mother. Mother कुछ बोलने की बात नहीं child के बारे में. I love my child. I'm doing this for my child. Yeah, ऐसा बोलने की कुछ भी नहीं है. Mother's state of existence is natural affection for the child, state of existence, and it's just visible. Trinadapi is a state of existence. Aisa chitta, when it is in that state of existence, the nama that comes from that state of existence is the beginning of Shuddha Nama. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prashtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine
Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunya.
So Mataji, whether a person, understands what the holy name is doing or not, the holy name is doing its job. Yes, is that a correct understanding, Mataji? Maybe, we are ignorant and we are caught in the, the termites and the heat that's going on in the mind.
Yeah,
and
holy
staying
name
in
is,
that
yes.
shape.
Yeah.
But the holy name is still doing what?
Yes.
Holy name is coming and
Yes.
showering the mercy, right?
The sun is shining, yes. Whether we
When-
put an
when- when
umbrella or
ja-
not is a different. Yeah, sun
Ah.
is shining.
I mean,
Holy
if a
name.
person is chanting japa, I'm saying,
Yeah.
if they're chanting japa, whether they so is it proper understanding that whether you know this or not, if you just have that belief that okay, we've received the holy name from Sri Guru, let me just chant, then slowly all this understanding
Yes, yes.
comes for a person,
Yes.
right?
Experiences, understanding क्या है? If a devotee is given a chance to put it in words, कि क्या होता है? Yeah, these are the words.
And Mataji, I have noticed, I've seen for myself included, in the past I've had this, and I see some other people that are practicing who have received Harinam and for some reason or the other are not able to chant their Harinam. What is it that happens to, what is it, because they have done aparadh?
Vaishnava Aparadha.
Vaishnava aparadh is
Yeah.
what stops
Yes.
the name
Ah.
from them.
Yes.
Okay.
Vaishnava Aparadha is very dangerous. You know where Vaishnava Aparadha happens? The termites.
Yes.
Vaishnava Aparadha.
So even when we
They
don't...
lose the taste.
Hmm.
They lose the taste.
Yeah.
If we don't do just that,
Mm.
no Vaishnava Aparadha, the taste comes.
Mm.
It's a deciding factor. Just ऐसे जपते,
Mm.
but just not offending anybody.
Right,
No
right.
termites here
Right.
regarding anybody.
Yes.
Then Bhakti is Swabhaviki.
हाँ.
Nama is right there. Krishna is right there.
हाँ.
Krishna is very attractive. ऐसे soul को खींचते हैं. वो हो जाएगा. Very quickly come to Namabasa if there is no Vaishnava Aparadha.
Got it, Mother. Thank you.
Yes. That's why it is a very simple and potent process. Hai. For the same thing to happen, to come out of the anarthas and to come out of the attachments, even Shaubhari Muni could not do. Ashtanga Yogi, all that. But Bhakti is so potent एंड सिंपल है. नाम को पकड़ना, अपराध को छोड़ना, बस. दैट्स इट. नाम को पकड़ना, अपराध को छोड़ना. सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल.
How our minds are complicated, but when you think about it,
Yeah.
or when the understanding slowly
That's the tattva.
it feels like, oh my God, that's all it
That's
was.
it. Yes. Bhakti is a state of existence. You asked a question, Mataji. Is it Bhakti Aparadha first or Nam Aparadha first? We have to understand what Bhakti means first. Bhakti is a state of existence. Bhakti is not doing outside. Not doing or talking. Bhakti is Chitta. What is the Chitta state? That is Bhakti. So in that state, there is no difference between Seva or Nama, because it's a state. You see? And the mirror for Bhakti is Nama, because that's when we see how much is there in between us and Nama. But if we think Bhakti is only doing, we will not see how much is there between me and Krishna. We will not see. If I think Bhakti is only doing. That is why Bhakti is Nama, Nama is Bhakti, because Bhakti is a state of existence where the Seva flows. Aisa. That is the tattva of Bhakti.
Thank you, Mataji. I was just in the morning, Madhvi Sundari Mataji and we were talking about this, that I was feeling that after coming in this Sankirtan van and in your association, I've understood that,
Here,
Mataji, little loud.
after coming in the Sankirtan van and in Mataji's association, hearing every day, I have come all along for many years, Nama was, I kept feeling, oh, Japa is something you do, and then Bhakti services are something you do, and uske baad Bhakti hoga, Bhakti will come, Bhakti, it's like, now I'm understanding what we are doing, this is Bhakti,
Yes.
this is what, and when you're doing Japa, that is the connection that is happening, it's not that after that something is going to happen.
Yes, please.
That was a very, it's sinking in slowly, Mataji, that though this is Bhakti,
Yes, please.
every day Japa, every day Shravanam, every day
Yes.
being with devotees, every day doing this thing.
Yes.
This is Bhakti, not that ye sab karne ke baad kuch pehna hoga, that will be Bhakti. No.
This is Bhakti, this is mercy.
Yes. So slowly, although I kept hearing that the means and the goal are the same, means and the goal are the same.
Yeah.
But utna kuch, somehow it didn't sink.
Yes.
But slowly now after this Sankirtan experience, it is starting to sink that, oh, this is Bhakti. Not that you are doing
Yes.
this to get Bhakti.
Yeah, nahi.
This is Bhakti.
Yes, please. This is ocean of mercy.
Yes.
Can we say that, please, all of us together loudly? This is ocean of mercy. Causeless mercy. Causeless mercy. What is in depth in the causeless mercy, please? Can somebody?
What is?
This is an ocean of causeless mercy. है ना? हम सब लोग है ना?
Yes.
Yeah? In the ocean of causeless mercy. Is everybody at least feeling a little wet with the mercy, please?
Yes.
Yes, please?
Yes.
Haribol! And next question. Is somebody feeling a little drenched in mercy, please?
Yes.
Yes! Gauranga! Is Bhakti Susukam Kartum Avyayam, please?
Yes.
Haribol! Can we recite that shloka that Sri Bhagavan Uvacha? Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam Pratyakshaavagamam Dharmyam Susukham Kartum Avyayam. Raja Vidya, is this Bhakti a king, very strong? Yes?
Yes.
Krishna, Bhakti is Rajavidya, the king of all knowledge.
Yes.
Yeah, Rajavidya. Rajaguhyam, is this confidential or not?
Yes.
Totally confident.
Ask somebody who has been doing Bhakti for 30, 40 years and wait a minute. Huh, Mataji? Yeah? Rajaguhyam? Raja. Rajaguhyam, confidential. If this is not confidential, how many people are practicing devotion now? If we ask them, is bhakti susukam kartum avyayam? Will that be yes from them? No. Only those who are saying yes, they have received the drop of mercy. Ki ye Rajaguhyam, that mercy of Rajaguhyam has come to them. That's when they say yes, susukam kartum avyayam. Otherwise, you cannot fake it.
Yes, yes.
Rajaguhyam. So, Rajaguhyam, how does that happen, please? Something confidential, how is it revealed?
Mercy, Sandhani of Mercy.
Yes. How causes mercy is there? When would we receive it?
When we beg.
Yeah. Anasuyave. Parvakshyami Anasuyave. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Jnanam te sa vijnanam pravakshyami anasuyave. Arjuna, I am speaking this to you because you don't have asuya, envy, burning inside. When this burning is inside, bhakti is not susukam kartum avyayam. Bhakti is burning for them. It is very difficult. Because there is no envy, that's why Rajaguhyam has come to you, all dear devotees. Those mercy drops have come because the Rajaguhyam has come to you in your experience, because you are Anasuyave. Rajavidya, Rajaguhyam, Pavitram,
Can we have one?
very sacred. Bhakti is very sacred. Our sacred journey to Bhagavan, with Bhagavan. Rajavidya, Rajaguhyam, Pavitram, Idam Uttamam, the topmost. Isn't this topmost?
Yes.
Can somebody give an example why this is topmost?
Beyond the burning of this material existence.
Yeah. Very natural answers.
Just that beyond this is like the Panchama Purushartha, right?
Yeah,
Beyond
yeah.
all the other things that
Right.
Vedas have to offer.
That's topmost.
Yes.
Yes.
What a human being endeavors for, a jiva endeavors
That's topmost. Yes. Thank you, Mataji. And any more answers, please? Why is this topmost, Bhakti? No wrong answer. There will not be any wrong answer anyway, so you can say anything.
It's Krishna's energy, it's Ladini Shakti,
Ah.
it's topmost.
Oh, that's wonderful, Mataji. Sandhini Shakti and Ahladini Shakti too. Yes, topmost. Yes. Aisa? Pavitram, Idam Uttamam, Pratyakshaavagamam Dharmyam. Is that happening to you, dear devotees?
Yes.
Hey Govinda! I think this is a moment to say Gauranga 3 times, please. Gauranga! Okay, second one is, how much is this Pratyakshaavagamam to you? That louder will be Gauranga. Gauranga! How much is it Susukam to you? That much louder will be Gauranga. Gauranga! Do we have to wait for Bhakti, or is Bhakti happening?
It is happening.
Bhakti is happening to us, on us. You see? Yes, ah. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you to all dear devotees. You are.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, please.
Mataji, you said bhakti is the state of existence. That is, bhakti is the state of existence.
Yes, please.
So, can you elaborate a little
Oh,
bit?
yes, please. Bhakti is the state of existence in servitude. Bhakti is a state of existence in dependence. State of existence in Preeti to Bhagavan. State of existence in Preeti to Bhagavan. Yashodamai is in the state of existence to Preeti in Bhagavan. That's why the seva overflows from her. So it's not a static one. The Vrindavan, the whole land of Raja, is a Preeti Sthalya. and everybody is constantly out of that Priti, there is Priti Vishaya and Priti Ashraya. So Bhakti is a state of existence, Priti.
Thank you.
There is Priti Vishaya and there is Priti Ashraya. Priti Vishaya is Bhagavan. Priti Ashraya. Priti, that has one who has given Ashraya to Priti for Bhagavan, is the lover of God, the Vrajavasis. They are Priti Ashrayas. Who is the Vishaya for this Priti Ashrayas? Nandanandana Krishna. Priti Vishaya. So Vrindavan is a state of existence of Priti, but it's not static. It is so dynamic. Between Priti Vishaya and Priti Ashraya, always dynamic. Ye hai bhakti. In the Priti Vishaya, this loving reciprocations, ye hai. This is the state of existence. On the platform of Priti, the reciprocations are happening. Our understanding of bhakti is doings here, Priti will sometime, we don't know. Maybe later, and we don't know. Doing. Our understanding of bhakti is this. Do. ये think भी नहीं जाते हैं. मन अभावन भी नहीं जाते हैं. Just करो. Is there Krishna in the mind? There is a second step. वो second step भी नहीं है ना. And the third one is your existence for Krishna. वो है bhakti. So bhakti माने है existence for Krishna. Only if doing is for Krishna, then what happens to the rest of it? कैसे bhakti होगा? So when Srila Prabhupada is saying devotional service, our very existence in servitude to Bhagavan, that's devotional service. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mataji. One more question in this regard. So, from the Vrajavasis, they are Priti Ashraya and Priti Vishaya Nandana is their existence, and that is the state of existence. For us, Mataji, who are here in
thank you.
Anartha Nivritti,
Yes.
what will be the state of existence?
Priti Vishaya will remain the same. Bhagavan, Nama. Krishna Nama is the Priti Vishaya, Mataji. Josna Mataji.
Yes.
Who is the Priti Vishaya for us?
Krishna Nama.
For us, right now, as of now, yes, are Anarthas going away, Mataji?
Yes.
Yes, they are going away. Right?
Yes.
Who is our Priti Vishaya, please?
Naam Prabhu.
Naam Prabhu. Oh hey Krishna Namakshara, Tumi Sarva Shakti Dhara. That's Priti Vishaya. In Kali Yuga, for all of us, is that Priti Vishaya. That Priti Vishaya, when very pleased with us, as he is more pleased, then this Priti Vishaya will give the darshan of the Rupa. But Priti Vishaya remains the same. Bhagavan. Kali Kala Nama Rupe, Krishna Avatara. So Priti Vishaya remains the same. Right, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
We are Priti Ashrayas. Josna Mataji, who are we?
Priti Ashrayas.
Priti Ashrayas. Dear devotees, can we say that all of us together? We are Priti Ashrayas.
We are Priti Ashrayas.
Right now, the reality is we are Anartha Ashrayas. Okay? Right now. Okay? But when we take the Yadapashrayashrayaha, when we take the Ashraya of the Priti Ashraya, the pure devotees are Priti Ashrayas. They are full of Krishna. They are full of Priti for Krishna. Right?
Yes.
So, the pure-hearted devotees, the lovers of God, are Priti Ashrayas. Our Acharyas are Priti Ashrayas. Our Gurujana, Shuddha Bhaktas are Priti Ashrayas. Right, Josna Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
And we know them, right, who are Priti Ashrayas?
Yes, Mataji.
And when we take the Ashraya of those Priti Ashrayas, then they will make us Priti Ashraya. They will make us.
Yes, Mataji.
All our eyes are on them. The heart is in them. The magnet is up there. That magnet will turn this iron to magnet.
Yes, Mataji.
सो प्रीति विषया को हम लोग आश्रय लेना है. देन वो प्रीति विषय विल मेक अस प्रीति, वो प्रीति आश्रय विल मेक अस प्रीताश्रय. नाउ कैन यू से द आंसर माताजी टू योर क्वेश्चन? हु इज अ प्रीति विषया?
Preeti Vishaya is Nam Prabhu,
श्री नाम प्रभु.
and we take shelter of the Preeti Ashrayas, who
Uh-huh.
are our Gurujanas, and they are like magnet, and they will make us into the Preeti Ashrayas.
Yeah, thank you. Hari bol, Hari bol. Thank you, Jasna Mataji. Thank you. Thank you, please.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yes, thank you. Shall we go to the second verse of? Because if the surface itself is so relieving, what happens next? So ये पहले है ना first verse. This is just Krishna is entering into my ears and has entered into the heart. It's just the start, somewhere between the Nishta and Ruchi. हो गया. Thakura already covered the anarthas, how the anartha Mari Ravi Tapta Bhumi, some, yeah, that anartha nivritti ho gaya. The land is not hot anymore. Yeah, the heart, now the showers of nectar, cooling showers of nectar. वो है, a cooling showers of nectar is, the drops of nectar, they come. Otherwise, how will the anartha nivritti happening? You see, when the rain showers होता है ना, when the land is very hot, the initial part, when the shower is happening, rain showers are falling, initial part, the land even doesn't get wet because it is so hot. The initial showers are just getting vaporized, and बाद में it is just wetting the land a little bit, just a superficial surface. Nevertheless, the heat is going away from the earth. ऐसा है अनर्थ निवृत्ति में. So है वहाँ भी कृष्ण नामा, the showers of nectar है, लेकिन we are not able to feel because the land is so hot, it's hardly getting wet superficially. So as the Harinam is continuing, and then the cooling happens, land का थोड़ा सा surface wet होता है, and then the water will start to sink in. वो है transition from anartha nivritti to nishta to ruchi. माने nectar है, anartha nivritti में भी the same showers are coming, but it is perceived more when the heat is being when the land is being cooled down more. ऐसा. So in the next verse, then Thakura is explaining